Ceasefire day number 008. 8 days ago, the war, the ceasefire is in Gaza. Yes. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle will be binary puzzle. In today's newspaper on Monday, January the 27th, 2025. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So one puzzle is remaining, and it's the binary puzzle. In today's newspaper, we have no extra puzzle, no additional. So only these 3 regular puzzles, and this one will be number 9980. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's. Here one, there one. Now the double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double O's. Here one, there one. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Between the double O's, here one, there one. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes in O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. And now, yes, we have here 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we will have 4 ones in a row in this first row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Here we have also 4 O's in this column. If I place number 5 here, the 5th O, then we will have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be an O, this should be a 1. Then, well, double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I'm stuck. I think we need to compare now. Double ones, double O's, 1. Yeah. This column and that column, let me compare. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have 0 here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's, double O's here, one there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I need to compare again. Here I need to compare again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. The question is which one? Double O, double one. This one. Again, this one and that one. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 0, 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so that's the O's. Double O's here, one there, 1. And now, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to compare again. Well. This one. And the last one. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also the rest are ones. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct in 6 minutes. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.